Pawshield Ultrasonic is a plug-in device marketed as a chemical-free solution for eliminating fleas and ticks. According to the official website, it uses specially tuned ultrasonic sound frequencies designed to kill fleas at every stage of life, including eggs. The product promises an easy setup, continuous protection, and a safe alternative to sprays, pills, collars, or topical treatments. For pet owners dealing with persistent flea problems, that claim sounds extremely appealing. The device relies heavily on scientific-sounding language to establish credibility. Terms like precision-tuned frequencies and advanced ultrasonic technology are used throughout the marketing. However, when these claims are examined more closely, a major issue becomes clear. There is no reliable scientific evidence showing that ultrasonic sound devices can effectively kill or control fleas and ticks in real household environments. The website does not reference peer-reviewed studies, veterinary research, or independent lab testing that supports these effectiveness claims. Another red flag is the use of fear-based language, such as super fleas. This is not a recognized scientific or veterinary classification. While it is true that some parasites develop resistance to specific chemical treatments, that does not mean ultrasonic sound waves can replace proven flea control methods. This type of wording is often used to create urgency and push buyers toward an easy-sounding solution. Veterinary professionals and pest control experts have consistently stated that ultrasonic flea devices do not work as advertised. Most veterinarians do not recommend them, especially for active infestations. In real-world use, ultrasonic devices show inconsistent or non-existent results, particularly in homes with carpets, furniture, and multiple rooms where sound waves cannot effectively travel or penetrate. Pricing also raises concerns. Pawshield Ultrasonic is commonly sold for around $50, yet nearly identical ultrasonic pest devices can be found online for just a few dollars. This significant markup strongly suggests the product may be a generic device that has been rebranded and sold at a premium price without added functionality. User feedback further reinforces these concerns. Many pet owners report seeing no reduction in flea activity even after weeks of continuous use. Some state that infestations continued or worsened until they returned to sprays, topical treatments, flea collars, or veterinary-prescribed medications. A few users even claim they tested the device near visible fleas or ticks and observed no reaction at all. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. So, is Pawshield Ultrasonic a scam? A physical product does appear to be shipped, which means it may not be a fake storefront. However, the core effectiveness claims are not supported by science, expert opinion, or consistent user results. Relying on this device alone could delay proper treatment and allow flea or tick infestations to become more severe. The bottom line is straightforward. Pawshield Ultrasonic promises a simple, chemical-free fix, but the available evidence does not support those promises. Pet owners should approach this product with caution, consult independent sources, and speak with a veterinarian before replacing proven flea and tick treatments.